Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to be changing the AP calipers on the Escort Cosworth, and yeah, just going through it all and get them chopped over. So without any talk, let's get these done. So first things first, we'll get the braided line disconnected and capped up so it don't leak everywhere, and then we'll undo these bolts with nuts which are at the top. Well, you see from the top, there's a nut there, washers, to remove the caliper. And then after that, we'll get the disc off and then switch it all out. So let's go. Right guys, so I've removed the braided line because we're going to put some new ones on, and it's been capped there to stop it leaking. Caliper and the discs been removed, which is over here. So now it's time to get the new set out. Right, so here's the new calipers, now fitted. Obviously a bigger disc this time with the later spec caliper. So if I just turn you around now and I'll show you that. So as you can see, it's the later type, so you've got the slide pins and the retaining bracket there for the pads. So you're running a set of DS2500s in there. And then on the top, you'll see the nut and bolt into the standard hub location holes with the bracket. Oh, trying to focus. So yeah, that's all now fitted. Replaced the copper washers. Was going to replace this braided line, but the ones that were supplied were a bit too short, and it didn't fit great into this bracket here. So I've just made good of that. Make sure this is nice and strong, because before this was all moving around quite a bit, which is not what you want on a brake pipe. So yeah, these are all now ready to go. And obviously the same on the driver's side. So what I'll do now is I'll go over to the bench and I'll show you the old calipers and discs. Obviously did skip that up a little bit with fitting. I had a few customers turn up today, but yeah, it all went pretty well, to be honest. All you've got on the back is two 8mm Allen key bolts with 17mm nuts, which just tighten up to the hub. And then you've got the two 8mm Allen key bolts that take the caliper onto the hub bracket. So yeah, pretty straightforward. And then obviously just fitting up the brake line and fitting the pads up with a bit of grease, not copper grease. I tend to like to use ceramic grease on the back of the pads, not a lot, just a little bit. and a little bit on the pins as well, just so you don't have any issues with them seizing whenever you come to take pads out. So, but yeah, so I'll take you over to the toolbox and show you the old calipers and discs. So here's the old calipers and discs ready to be up for sale if anyone's interested. They do need a little bit of work, but price does reflect it. So if anyone's interested, 4x4 Cosworth, so SAF, Escort Cosworth, these will fit. And yeah, so all I've got to do now is bed the brakes in, but I do need to replace the rear calipers when they turn up, and obviously bleed the system. So yeah, I'll try and get a little bit more content on that. But yeah, that's it for this video, and see you all in a bit. Catch you soon.